Good day, guys. Being here. Today, let's model this project. So it's the pyramid viewport. Okay, so these are floor plans and the elevations and the sections. Okay, so this is what we will get. Okay, so let's start. So first, create a project. And so actually I did some screenshot of these floor plans. So this one, and also the elevations. So I'm going to just load those images. So I did those image, I think, here. So let's just drag them into the floor plan. So you can just do a screenshot of those image. Okay, and I'm not sure about the scale. We will scale them after we load them. So, okay, so these are the two floor plans. So this is lower and upper. So what I'm going to do is I'll just roughly move them to, on top of each other. So now we are looking at the top floor plan. And also, I'm going to roughly, I'll just roughly draw a detail line. So from here to here, and see, it's about 1.6. I guess it's probably should be slightly narrower. I guess maybe let's make it 1.2. So I'm just guessing. I'm not sure what exactly the dimension is. So select both of the image RE scale. I think it's RE. Yeah, RE. And then just click on here and then click on here, type in 1200. So now this stairs is 1200 wide. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll just do some reference plans. So roughly, so one reference plan, and I will just mirror it. DM. I'll just roughly draw a horizontal line in the middle, so it will go mirror to the top. So yeah, I think just move it down to match that line, and then I'll just do some vertical reference plans. Okay, so and let me just check the thickness of this wall. Roughly 240. So maybe I'll just offset 240. So to get the external, looks like we can't offset reference plan, so that's why I'll just copy. Okay, or even, oops, sorry, move them. So I'll just get rid of the internal one. So we have this exterior face of the wall, and maybe we just add another one here, and I'll just copy this one to roughly this end. And okay, so that's it. Maybe another one here. Okay, so and okay, so I think that's good. And then we need the elevation. So let's go to south. Okay, south elevation. So you see this is the very left. This is very right end of this structure. So we can just go grab the elevation that we have. So, and I'm just going to move this and to this reference plan, and because we need to scale it, so RE, click on here, and we just maybe I should click on this floor level. So RE, pick this point, and pick this point, and then go back to the here. So now this scale should match the floor plans. So now we can just do a maybe we need to move this down to floor level, right? So just move it down. Yep, all good. And another reference plan. So I'm just going to draw a reference plan so this will help us. Okay, so I think that's all good. And what's the next? The next is, so we're going to model some walls. Okay, so go to floor plan. So WA wall. So we're going to use, I'm just going to use a generic wall and duplicate it. I'll just make it 240 wall. So go edit. I'll use a 240. Okay, so OK and OK. So now change this to finish exterior, so we can just directly start from this point and use your spacebar and flip the wall and then finish it here and continue to here and continue to looks like we need to extend to, so see this one go down here, so there will be this intersection point. Okay, so finish it. So you will see this little, so we can use void to cut that bit, so we'll just leave it for now. And then another, looks like already we need another reference plan maybe. So let's just do another reference plan parallel to that one. Another one here. I'll just do a dimension to the wall face. So tab, pick the wall face, and then I'll just type in 1200. Okay, same. I do another dimension, tab, select the wall face, 1200, or maybe exterior face of the wall will be 1440. Okay, so same. Let's just do it 1440. Okay, so now we can create a wall, another wall. So exterior. So start from this point here, down here, and so we need to get this reference plan. Get the intersection point of that. Looks like maybe you can do this. Select these reference plans. So right click and maximize 3D extend. So this will make sure. Looks like that's okay. So that's maybe this one as well. Okay, so this right click on this one as well, this one as well. So this will make sure all these the extent of the reference plan will reach the very end of this model. So now we can just create another wall, start from here, finish it. So you can try to pick this. Hang on, looks like I picked the wrong point. So we need to pick here and then down here, and that's it. And the same, so looks like we need to do a little bit work to make it to fill this bit. Okay, so but for now we'll just leave it. And okay, so now let's have a look in 3D view. So of course they are all 8 meters high, right? So you have options. So one option is, so sometimes you can just attach. So you can attach to a reference plan, but looks like Revit is not happy because this corner, because a little corner is not under the reference plan. So not. It's because this is above the reference plan. So this part, so this little corner is above. So Revit won't allow you to attach this reference plan. So your option is, so you can just drag. You can drag this wall back to make sure you see this part. So if I change this to interior, and we can drag this back to match this reference plan. So this way you can align, attach top to the reference plan. Okay. The other way, so let's just go back. Okay, so Control Z and Control Z. Yep, all good. The other way is you can just cut them using void, but make sure before that, let me just ping this image. So okay, so just make sure this wall is tall enough to to reach this. And looks like this one needs to go up as well, and this one. So maybe I'll just make them 12-meter high. So that's tall enough, maybe 10. Oh, not one, sorry. 10. And then what we can do is you can create extrusion from here, but you can also create an extrusion on this reference plane. Okay, so what you do is set work plan, pick a plan, okay, pick this reference plan, and then you can just go to 3D view. So you just need to roughly model in place. I'm going to use wall category, okay, so wall category, and I'll just do a void extrusion. So I'll just do a very big, so bigger than this model. And then I'll just have a look at this. I'll just type in 1 meter, see which direction it is going. So it's going up, which is correct. So, and then I'll just drag this up to make sure it's deep enough. And then we can just pick the wall, pick this void. And then once again, pick this wall, and this time pick this edge of this wall. Okay? And then once again, this wall, this. And then we can do this as well. So that's it. Okay, so let's finish model, and then that's it. So there's a line there, but yeah, let's just leave it for now. So okay, so now let's model the stairs. So we can go to floor plan. So let me so they are 1200 wide. And let's just model stairs. I'm going to use maybe just use monolithic stairs, and let's type in 1200, and also steps. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just do this. Let me cancel this. I'll just do a detail line to check. So because actually it doesn't matter, because if we create a stairs, it won't look like this. It will perpendicular to the direction. So let's just model a stairs. Okay, so I'll use that, and I'll just use the default setting. And also, I'm not sure about this level. So what I'm going to do is I'll just change this to none. And so I'll just type in a very high number. So it will continue. It will continue all the threads. So let's just do it. So start from, I'm going to use a right. Okay, so this way we can just pick this point. So I'm going to start it from this point. So you will see it go up, and I'll just finish it here. And you will see, so if I finish it here, the 1200, okay? And then if I finish it here, and if I click on finish, and let's have a look in 3D view. So yeah, I'm going to just delete this handrail for now, because you can add them later, so if you want to, but for now I'll just make it so it's easy, it's cleaner. So now we just need to adjust these stairs. So first, if you look at the image, it looks like these stairs are, the depths of these threads are like smaller than 280. So what I'm going to do is I'll just change this one to maybe 250. I'll see what happens. So if you look at here, so roughly maybe 255. Looks all good. Yeah, maybe a little bit more, so 260. Yeah, I think that's good. And then looks like we need one more. Okay, so I just double click it, drag it, just so we get one more. And I think that's pretty close. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'll just edit stairs, select this stairs, and then convert. So this will convert this stair to a sketch, so stair by sketch. So then we can edit sketch. Oh, sorry, edit sketch. So now I'm going to just drag the rider riser, the line of riser down, so to be vertical, and then so you can drag all the line down, or let me just turn on the thin line. So yeah, that's better. So you can manually do all this, or you can also copy, just copy CC and use multiple. Okay, so it's probably faster. And last one. And then of course you just need to trim it. And then here trim, TR, trim, I think all good, all good. Finish. Okay, so now this is the stair. Okay, so one of them. So we will have another one here. So then another one. Actually, so we should probably create another reference plane here. Oops, sorry. So we have a center line. This can, because this is, oh, sorry. I should probably just ping the image. Okay, so now we can just mirror, select this stairs, MM, and mirror it to the top. So now we have 2 stairs, okay? And then go back to floor plan. So now we can add, let me just have a look of the level. So what I'm going to do is, so this one, because we currently we're not sure the level is, so 26, yeah, I think, so maybe we can just 26. So let me just check the level. Okay, so select this so you can tell exactly what the level is. So 2608.7. So what we can do is we can just create a floor. Okay, so floor. So we need to set work plan. So if you see that warning, just set work plan to a horizontal level. So now we can create a floor in the floor plan. Pick wall 1, 2, 3, and 4. Trim, 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 and make sure it's on the correct side of the wall. So now finish, and I'll just type in 2408.7. I think that's correct. So now that's it. And also, should we have another level? Maybe we need to, oh, hang on, something's not right. 2626. Yeah, looks like we need to make it 1 step higher. So I'll just equals plus another step, 180 or 170 maybe. So I'll just make it 2780. Okay, so now that's it. So this will be up floor level. And then if we maybe we go to that image where, yeah. So this is upper, so you will see another stairs, and all these are seating. So what we can do is we can just copy this one up there. So now so we can go to up floor level, on which we can select this level, copy this up here. So of course we need to have a little landing there. So see a little landing. I think I'll just make it maybe 1200. I'll just move it by 1200 and then move it up here, and then we need to set the level. Okay, so you will see this is there. So we just need to just use this level and put it down here. It will go up. So that's it. And then of course there will be some seating here. So you have option. So you can use floor to just create multiple floor at every maybe 3 steps, or another option is you can use stairs as well. So let me show you how to use stairs for that. Okay, so first select this stairs. So we're going to create a new one. So edit type, create similar. So CS, create similar. Or hang on, maybe we can just copy it. So let's go to elevate floor plan and copy this one to next to it and go back to 3D view, select this stairs, edit type, duplicate, create a new, and this time I'm going to change the so actually let me just leave it for now because we're going to edit this sketch first. So select this run and edit sketch. So we can delete some of these riser. So every 3 and delete this one and finish. So now let's have a look. So this is, of course, this stairs is too flat. So what we're going to do is we're going to let me just finish this one and we're going to edit a type. Okay, so here, so we're going to change the maximum riser height. So 180 times 3, so 540. And minimum tread depth, same. We're going to type times 3. Okay, so it will be 840. And finish it. So now we just need to check the level of this stair. So annotate, spot elevation. So just make sure that's 5480. So select this stairs. So this time we can just change this to the top level ground floor with 5480. So this way. So sometimes, so you will see it won't change instantly. So what we can do is we can go edit stairs and probably need to go to floor plan and have a look of this. Here, something's not here. So if you select this one, you will see this one, change this one to 6. And now let's have a look in 3D view again. Not quite right. Let's try 5. Yeah, that's better. So you will see now the level all match. Okay, good. So now we can just edit stair. So edit and then select this, edit sketch, AL, pick the wall, pick this, finish, and finish. So if you don't worry about the direction arrow, so you can just finish this stairs, or you can also edit a sketch to make sure. So if you want to put this in the middle, SM, SM, and finish, and finish. So that's it. Okay, so now we can create another floor here. So what we can do is Control C. So sometimes I'll just create a new one and then just lift it up 5480 and then edit boundary and maybe pick this line, trim, and that's it. Okay, so then that's it. So yeah, if you want to, you probably need to increase one level or just equals plus 170 or 180. So I'll just use 180. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so now I think so HR. So these are all the stairs, floor, stairs, stairs, floor, and there will be so you will see this wall, the join of this, so you can flip, you can just change the join. So next, so now you will see if you select wall, and if you lift up, you will see the difference. So if I lift this to create the opening, so for example, I'll just create a 2400 opening here. So you will see this, the relationship between these two walls. So previously it's something like this. Okay, so you will see, right, difference. Just use this wall joins to flip the wall. And I think, yeah, and of course, so these, you can just if it's May, I'll just use model in place, just do extrusion to make them align to this reference plane. So, okay, so now let's have a look at this end. So this will be a little bit not that easy because I'm using 2020. In 2020, we don't have a slanted wall. In 2021, so we can have a slanted wall, but not in this one. So which means we need to do something instead of a wall. We need to do something different. Okay, so let's have a look. So first, I just go to ground floor, and I'll HH this image so we can see this the lower floor. So what I'm going to do is, if I change to wireframe, maybe not change this to detail to median, so we will see this line. So what we need, maybe I'll just do another reference plane here. So it will be something like this, okay? And also I'll mirror this to this, so we have another reference plane here. So what we're going to do is we need to create a opening here, and then it will be a slanted wall. So from the top to slightly offset. So I'll delete this wall. Let's go to floor plan again. So just make sure, change this to exterior. So we can drag this point to this intersection point, and this one as well. Change this to, so currently exterior, that's good. So which means we have this point, we can drag this down to here. So for this wall, we can just use a void to cut this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I want to, let me just show the floor plan, upper floor plan HR. So you will see this. So I think, let me think. So here, so this is where, so this is actually where the seat meet the wall, which means if the seat is 400 or 450, where the floor meet the wall will be roughly here. So what I'll just do a guess, maybe here, roughly. Okay, so what we need is a wall. So start from here, finish here. So because we can't have a slanted wall in 2020, so what we're going to do is we just model in place. Okay, so model in place, I'm going to use wall category. And so, okay, and then we're going to use blend. Okay, so I'll set work plan. I'll use the floor. So, oh, where's my floor? Looks like we need to level 1 so we can see the floor. Yeah, level 1. So let me set, pick a plan, pick this. So, no, not this one. Oh, hang on. That's too high. We need to go to side plan. So set, pick a plan. Okay, yep. So this one. So it will be here, and then I'm just going to roughly draw a shape. Okay, so maybe 240 thickness as well, and align to the wall. Okay, so this will be the profile of the wall at the floor level. And then click on this edit top. So this time I'm going to just draw another, maybe we can just pick this one. I'll just pick this shape. Okay. Oh, hang on. Maybe not. I'll just draw it here. So it will be here, and this line, I think, or even let's try this one, and also 240 and the trim. And let's have a look what this one looks like. So if I finish this one and go to 3D view, and of course it's not high enough, so we just need to go to maybe west. Okay, so we're going to just drag this up to match that. So let's have a look in 3D view again. Oh, hang on, where's my void? What happened to my void? Anyway, let's just do another one. Sorry about that. So same model in place, wall, okay, okay, set work plan, pick plan, okay, pick this reference plan, and go to 3D view. Just create a void extrusion. Just do a very big box, finish, drag this up, make sure, so start from 0, yep. And then you can cut wall, void, wall, void, wall, wall, void, wall, void, wall, void. Oh, good. Okay, so looks like we need to lower this one. So let's finish this one, and we just need to lower this down to. We probably need to go to south elevation again, and we just need to. It's a little bit harder to pick that point. So we'll see you can't snap. So what you can do is you can do a reference plan here. So with this reference plan, you can snap onto the reference plan. So, and then looks like we need to cut this part away. So once again, so we can go to this model in place. We can create a void again, void extrusion again, pick a plan. Once again, pick this reference plan, go to 3D view again. So rotate a little bit. So just draw a box to big enough, to cut that part, and drag this and cut, and so automatically cut already. So finish. So now that's it. And then, so if you want to get rid of these lines, you can join. Okay, join. And not sure why. Probably it's because the material. So what I'm going to do is, so because this is a generic wall, so it's using finish as its material. So, but this is a generic model. Sorry. So this is a wall, and we didn't give it any material. So if I change to finish, and that's it. Okay, so you won't see any line between them as long as you join them and they are using the same material. Okay, so now let's have a look at this part. Okay, so okay, what's next? Let me just have a look. So I kind of forget. Okay, so very nice clean. So you will see this is start from here, go down here. So it's a one wall, and then I think it's a vertical wall there. So it looks like it shouldn't start from here. It shouldn't start from here. It should start from this one. So that's okay. We can drag down to here. So yeah, we might need to just adjust the location of this profile to, but for now I think it's okay. Yeah, so I'll just leave it. Then maybe we can just do this. So I want to adjust this floor to, but I'll show you a tip or a trick. So sometimes if you want to match this floor to this wall, but you won't be able to pick line, pick this face, because you can do this. You can join this floor with this wall. Okay, so once you join, and also you make sure. So currently, because you will see this the void is on the floor, which means if you edit boundary, so you will lose everything. So looks like no, I was wrong. The void is on the wall. If I HH, yes, that's the opening is on the wall. That's correct. So, but sometimes if I use a switch join order, so you will see if the void go to the floor, and then if you edit boundary, you will lose that line again. So just need to do this. So switch join order, and then just edit this floor. So you will be able to pick this line on this wall. So pick this line and then trim it. So now you will have a floor exactly match this wall. Okay, so stop at this face. So yeah, that's it. And then okay, so what's next? So next, let's go to side plan. Maybe level 1. maybe ground floor. Yeah, maybe level 1, maybe ground floor. So where's the WF? Yeah, I'm trying to find the up floor plan, but that's fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut away. We're going to cut away. So see, we're going to create a void, cut part of this wall. Okay, so let's go to ground floor where we have that image. So let me just HI to see, not this image, HR, HH. Okay, so this one. So you see we need to create a void to cut away this. So let's do it. So let me think. Let me try. I'll just do a model in place wall and see what happens. Okay, so wall. Okay, model in place, extrusion, pick. So I'm going to just set work plan. So make sure it's start from ground floor. That's good. Pick line. I'm going to pick this reference plan, pick this reference plan, and pick this one. And also I'll just join them. So I have this triangular shape. Finish. Go to 3D view. Drag this extrusion up and have a look. So it looks like it will cut. No, I don't think this is correct. This will cut too much away. I think is it correct? Yeah, sorry, I'm a little bit confused now. So we need to have a look of this image again. So this one go down there. Yeah. So looks like this void need to go down here. So instead of there, so let's go to ground floor again. Go to side plan, WF. Okay, so looks like this wall needs to come out here to here. Okay, so let's do it. So I will cancel this one and I'll just edit that slant wall, which is a model in place. Edit top, no, edit base. Okay, so what we need is we need to move this to here, and then we have changed this to 240 and finish it. So now let's have a look. Yeah, all good. And then go back to ground floor. So this time we're going to create a void on this reference plane. Okay, so model in place, wall, okay, and okay, so set work plan, okay, pick this one and go to 3D view and let's have a look. So we're going to just draw extrusion. Okay, so I'm going to just roughly draw a shape here. Is that right? Yeah, all good. So actually it looks like it will cut too much here, so away. So what I'm going to do is I'll just pick this line. Okay, so a trim and a trim. Finish and cut this wall. Oops, sorry. Cut this wall. How about that? Yeah. And then we just need to adjust this floor. So, but this one looks good. I think is it correct? Do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I think that's correct. And then, so we just need to go to ground floor again. Let me just finish this. Okay, so we need to create a new model in place. I'll just use a wall category. Okay, model in place, void extrusion, set work plan, pick a plan. Okay, pick this reference plan, go to 3D view, and I'm just going to pick a line directly. pick this one, and then pick this one, and then I just need to, just roughly draw a shape here to make sure it cover that wall. Okay, so and then finish it, and then just drag this to cover the whole wall, and then cut wall void and finish. Okay, and then we can just go edit this. So I'm going to just edit boundary and then pick, oops, sorry, wrong one. I'll just pick this edge. Okay, so and then finish it. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, looks like this one needs to go down. So maybe I'll just move it down. Yeah, that's better. That's much cleaner. So you won't see. Probably you can only see it from the bottom, but looks nicer from the side. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, you probably need to fix this because we moved this. Anyway, so let's just ignore that part. So I think that's it. Yeah, probably you can just add some extrusion to it to make it nicer too. And okay, so that's it. Yeah, it's probably not very clear here, but you can just have a play. So, and also if you have some better idea, I think in 2021 you can model this as a wall, and I think it will be easier because you can trim the wall and somehow you can probably make it easier. But if you find a better method, please let me know. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.